Hi everyone, this is Dan at Performance Motorworks, and I just wanted to take a minute and wish everybody a Happy New Year. I hope you all had a great holiday with your friends and family. I know that I did for sure. So I wanted to take a minute and just tell you about our upcoming promotion for February. What we're offering is $50 off of any service of $500 or more. So by all means, bring in your BMW, your Mini Cooper, Volkswagen, or Audi. Take advantage of the savings. Also, I just want to remind you all about our referral program. While you're here, I have these cards on my desk, and if you like the service that we're doing for you and you'd like to tell a friend, grab one of these cards and hand it to them, and we can offer them the same savings. So that would be great. We look forward to seeing you. Give us a call, 916-624-9656, or go to our website, pmwonline.com, and book an appointment from there. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.